Hi, boys and girls. We are going to learn how to retell a story. So on this how-to sheet, we're going to look at the hand and we're going to talk about the 5 things we need to do to retell. We call it the 5-finger retell. So when you retell a story, when you first start, you want to tell what the setting and the characters were. So you're going to tell where the story was taking place and who is involved in the story. Then you move on to the beginning. That's usually at the same point you would be telling the characters in the setting and kind of give them a little overview of what they're doing. In the middle, a lot of times there's some kind of a problem or something that happens in the story that makes it interesting or something that the characters are doing. So you would tell that, just in about a sentence or so. And then at the end, you tell how that problem was solved or how the character figured out their problem. So if you think back to my rows and piles of coins, you would start with, in the beginning, Saruni and his mom were at the market and they were selling their goods. So we gave the characters and the setting and we kind of said what they were doing. In the middle, Saruni decided he wanted to buy a bike, but he had to work hard to save up money in order to buy that bike. So that was his problem. He wanted the bike, so he was working to try to save money. At the end, he thought he had enough money, but he didn't, and the man laughed at him, but then his parents were so proud of him that they actually gave him a bike. So he wanted to buy a bike, that was the middle, and then at the end, his parents gave him a bike. So we kind of talked about what his problem was and how he was trying to fix it, and then at the end, that problem got solved by his parents giving him the bike. So when you retell a story, you just give the basic idea, beginning, characters and setting, the middle, what's happening in the middle, what kind of problem or what thing is going on. In Lemonade in Winter, the kids want to set up a lemonade stand, right? And but it's winter, so it's kind of hard to get people's attention. So that was the middle. And then at the end, were they successful? Were they not successful? That's what you would tell me, okay? So I'm not going to give you all the details of Lemonade in Winter because that's what you are going to retell in your practice on your list. Good luck!